color that I remember.
I'm losing balance. I'm drowning.
Don't let people drown again.
Why? Did I make something wrong? Why did they leave me? Why am I alone? I'm afraid. Where is God? Will they ever find me?
I will really going to him.
Will I survive? Will I ever go home? Will I ever find Mom? I'm tired, I'm cold, I'm alone. A narration. And was a compilation of different texts, right? And was a narration you could. Let's look.
We're waiting for you, the lab, to stop speaking.
I have seen war. I have seen death. I have seen fear. I have seen suffer.
I have felt hunger, I have felt thirst, I have felt pain, I have felt loneliness.
I have heard silence, I have heard screams, I have heard plays, I have heard words. But I still am myself. I had to leave my country. They weren't following me. The sky turned red just like black. I had to leave my country because it's every home there is an unknown secret of staircase. You only find it when you no longer has a moon. I had to leave my country, and we were traveling together like a voice fading through the world.
Tortures, description, death, persecution, the sky is red like my hand.
I'm not saying it. I just want to see the sun shining. I want to be happy and I want to see my family.
Now we're about to start. We were traveling together when we were carried away by the lake. Suddenly, we found ourselves walking in the desert. Everything became silent, and we felt as if we were nothing. So this was a metaphor of the trip of all of us to here, to our school, with the refugees.
I wanted more. Thank you very, very much. You were creative and imaginative, and many children wrote poems in here. And have great pictures and great acting, and connecting our journey here, Chacobo, with the refugees journey. Great work. Thank you very, very much. Thank you very much.
There because of the tortures. They went through many hardships. They no longer have a home. They were counting the scars that were made by the handcuffs, while trying to understand how much gold was taken out of their hands. They will always remember the sun submerging into the flames. They will always remember their turning red, while the wind mourns peace.
I can see an island. I think I am alive. My friends are so scared because the people say goodbye. I can hear the screams, but I can't see dreams.
Then we were carried away by the wave. We were traveling together like a voice fading through a well. This is a picture with the refugees in the sea while they traveling by night.
The sea is cold.
I'm alone.
I have to do the prayer. I'm lost.
I hope to again.
I see freedom below.
I'm alive. I am alive.
This is the boat. Take the recon.
I'm alone here. Please help me.
It was a long road. I was filling my heart with, and then the sky turned into red. When we arrived, people treated us like strangers who had to go. I hadn't my balance. I feel lonely since I lost my sister. When I remember the ground we were living was like blood. Why people force you to live or treat you cruelty when you have not do something against them?
I was the father of 2 children, but I died on the road of slavery in another state. We were in Libya and we took a boat to go to Greece, but there wasn't enough food and my children died. I had a fight on the boat with other people because they wanted to throw them into the sea, but I could buy them when I arrived at the beach. It's the worst experience people can do.